Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, and today we are doing our 2-year preventative maintenance on a Statim G4 5000. Next, what we're going to do is put our cover back on. Again, you want to make sure you have space to the left of the unit. I'm going to take the top cover and set it on its side next to the unit. As you can see, I'm going to re-plug in our ribbon cable from here. That will just snap into place. This particular unit does have what's called a power supply board, which is right here up front. That power supply board is located there. It'll plug in on the back side of your logic board, and there is a bracket where that will snap into place. Wherever that might be. There it is. That keeps those wires out of your way. If I was putting this back together for good, I would turn the power on, make sure that the screen works. However, for demonstration purposes, I'm not. Next, what we're going to do is roll the cover back over the front, just like so. Should be at about that angle. And we're going to simply walk this back on. Again, you want to make sure that this unit is unplugged whenever you are taking the cover on and off. The ribbon cables can get caught, and it should slide into place. You want to be about that angle. Make sure you clear the back, and the whole thing will snap into place. On the back here, we have our biofilter bracket with the single screw. I usually like to start with this middle one because that one there is no play in. You might have to move the cover one side. We have 4 more screws that hold this unit on. 7 total. Sometimes these will be a little out of adjustment. You might have to push down on the top to get that to seat down correctly. If you have any questions with your 2-year PM kit on your Statim 5000 or any of your other autoclaves, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free tech support. Thank you.